Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings, go to Contacts, and then tap Accounts to begin setup. Tap Add Account and choose Google from the list of providers. Sign into your Google account and allow contacts access when prompted by iOS. After signing in, locate the Contacts toggle and turn Contacts on to enable syncing. Open the Contacts app and wait up to 30 seconds for the first sync to complete with your Gmail contacts. If you want new contacts saved to Gmail, set Gmail as the default contacts account in Settings. Open Settings, go to Contacts, and choose Default Account, then pick your Google account. iCloud and Gmail can both store contacts. Choose one default to avoid duplication across services. Open the Contacts app to review entries and use the Contacts editing tools to merge or delete duplicates manually. Merging removes redundant entries and keeps a single, clean contact record. If contacts fail to appear, force a sync by turning contacts off and then turning contacts back on for the Google account. Go to Settings, Contacts, Accounts, select the Google account, toggle contacts off, wait 10 seconds, and toggle it back on to restart the sync. Remove and re-add the Google account in Settings if contacts still fail to sync after toggling. Install iOS updates and sign into your Google account on the web to confirm contacts are enabled server-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.